Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn simple font styles. This is a very simple lecture I have prepared here. So let's see. Earlier lecture we have observed what are the font family we have applied over here. So here you may observe normal, bold, italic, these things how we are going to be applying with font with the help of a direct p tag, how we are going to write, and if required we'll try to apply these classes also will apply. Let's see. First I'm removing the existing classes, so these are the things I'm removed. So now let's see. Very simply I'll write for first normal, p dot normal, and assigning here a font weight. Where is the weight? Yes, font weight is in a property. So for this font weight property, it's a normal if I choose in. So the first paragraph, it is an paragraph normal font. The class I'm applying here, yes, I think it's visible clearly. So the class I'm applying normal. So let's see the output first. Reload the page. Yes, this is all three are looking like very simply as a normal fonts. Okay, so here I'm trying to applying for the paragraph is shows thickness. Thick. How this thickness is possible to see in particular paragraph, we'll see. So p dot thick I'm preparing as my font weight, as we may take bold and bolder we can. So this class I'm taking to apply as thick is my class name. So let's see. Save this and reload. So see, this is the thickness, like bold how we apply the text. Similarly we are seeing this thickness, and the paragraph shows like it's a normal font. So accordingly there is a specification of the font weight property with the value which one you require to set as more beautification of the font by look and feel and affection to be hitting to particular text. You need to use for font weight property. So I hope it is a very simple and easy to write these styles of code. We'll catch you in next lecture. Thank you.